Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by eliminating simple causes. Power off and inspect the bezel for impact or pressure points, then boot into DFU or recovery to see if the white line appears before iOS loads. If it vanishes in DFU, you're likely facing a software or driver issue. If it persists, it's hardware. Once done, make sure you have tri-point and pentalobe drivers, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static mat to open the phone safely and avoid static damage. You'll now open the device, remove pentalobe screws, lift the display and disconnect the battery to prevent shorts. Reseat the display and digitizer connectors one at a time, then reconnect the battery and power on to test. This isolates a loose or oxidized connector that causes a white line. If reseating helps, clean contacts gently with isopropyl alcohol. If not, inspect flex cables and the display daughterboard for tears, corrosion, or impact damage that explains persistent artifacts. If connectors and cables look good but the line remains, you should replace the LCD assembly or the small display daughterboard. This is often cheaper than a full main board swap. Use OEM or high-quality parts and torque screws correctly, then calibrate touch and display settings after reassembly to verify. If a replacement screen doesn't fix it, swap with a known good main board to confirm a motherboard fault. One tip: document screw locations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.